From Temple Update, this is Update Now.
Hello, I'm Luke Richardson, and here's the very latest. FBI Director James Comey says there is no evidence that the man who attacked a Philadelphia policeman was part of an organized terror cell. Edward Archer told the police he was acting in the name of Islam when he allegedly opened fire on Jesse Hartnett's marked cruiser. Police say Archer pledged allegiance to the Islamic State group. Archer is now charged with attempted murder. The long-awaited Al Cella concert hit the Liacouras Center Thursday night. The concert began with Wale, followed by Logic and French Montana. The night ended with headliner Fetty Wap. The event was originally scheduled for October 7th, and students told Update Now that the concert was, quote, the best they had ever seen. In sports, the Temple Owls football team earned an A on the report cards handed out this week by USA Today. Temple's A put them in the group of schools just behind the three A-plus winners, Alabama, Clemson, and Houston. And in weather, an interesting weekend to come with a high of 48 degrees and a chance of rain showers. Sunday will be a high of 39 degrees with partially cloudy skies and a chance of flurries in the evening. Monday, when Temple is closed for Martin Luther King Day, there will be a high of 29 degrees with sunny skies. That's it for Update Now. For the latest news, check out TempleUpdate.com or search for us on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter.